As I travel across this country working with conflict, one thing I consistently see is this huge cost that's being spent on trying to resolve workplace conflict. And there's a human cost as well, and it's avoidable. The outcome is peace, and it's productivity, and it's profitability. There's a huge cost to conflict. It costs everybody. It costs the bottom line of organizations to the tune of about $359 billion a year, but the human cost is killing us. So the solution is recognizing that conflict resolution is an inside job. People really have to take responsibility for making relationships work. It's not management's responsibility, it's everyone's responsibility.
The Sandbox System is a 4-step process that resolves conflict, builds leadership capacity with training, facilitates an inclusive planning strategy for profit, and puts it all together for consistent action and accountability.
When people can really feel like they have control over themselves, and when they can recognize what they don't have control over or what they don't have to control, they feel lighter, they feel more engaged and enthusiastic, and they feel hope and they feel desire and they want to come to work. And so, when people all want to come to work and have good intentions, they can get through anything. So we must get comfortable being uncomfortable. Life isn't about just doing what feels good. It's about doing what's right. It's about standing up and finding your voice and not settling for the status quo, but rather than going for freedom and what is possible. We are all destined to be great.